It's Wednesday. It's 5 days since I had my knee replaced. I go to the physical therapist today at 11 a.m. It is, currently 8:20. As you see, I'm using one crutch right now. I'm still using a mix of one crutch and the walker. My knee gets sore and one crutch doesn't seem like enough. But this morning, for the first time since the surgery, I made my own breakfast. I mean, it was oatmeal and some coffee and such, but I mean, still, I had to go back and forth from the table and so forth and make it. So that's progress. Opioids. They gave me oxycodone, and the legal limit, I don't know if it's California or everywhere, but in Oregon certainly, was 7-day supply. So an oxycodone supposedly could be taken every 4 hours. And so 6 a day theoretically in 7 days would be 42. So the first night, the first day that I got home, by about 3 p.m., it was hurting so bad that I went ahead and took one. And I wound up taking 3 more before I made it through to the morning, so that was 4. The next 2 days, I didn't take one during the day, but I took one at bed, and I took a total of 3. So that's 6, that's 10. Last night, I just took 2, and I'm thinking maybe tonight I might get away without taking any. Now, why? Because opioids and oxycodone and OxyContin, I think, is one of the worst. But they kind of build up in your system. And after a while, you take them, and maybe you weren't initially, but you start feeling like you have a headache and get a little queasy. And you get to the point where you have to kind of balance what's worse. Is it worse to put up with the side effects of the opioid or to put up with a little bit more pain? I'll find out tonight. I'll try going without, but if it's like I remember past experiences, I might halfway through the night say, I can't stand this, and take one. But maybe I could get it down to 1 and then eventually none. At any rate, that 42 they gave me, since I do not take 6 every day, that would absolutely do me in. I would be so sick. Would last a very long time, but I hardly ever use up the opioids that they give me, mainly because I started getting sick. So that's the update. I may do an update. Well, my wife will be with me. Maybe she'll take a few shots of the physical therapy and an update later today how I'm feeling after it. I expect to be a little bit sore. That could motivate me to do an oxycodone again. I hope not, though. We'll see. Well, if you got to be parked on the couch, icing your knee, at least you can watch some of your old videos and anticipate maybe getting out there and doing it again. It is Monday, May 8th, and 6 days since surgery. A very nice day out, so I'm sitting in my driveway with my leg elevated. Yesterday turned into a pretty tough day. I went to the physical therapist at 11 in the morning. Got home and I was thinking it's kind of all right, but as the day went on, boy, my knee just got to killing me. I've been hoping that I've been reducing the amount of oxycodone that I've been taking. I think the first day I was back, I took 4, 3 the next 2 days, and I got down to a 2, and I was hoping I'd go with 0. But that knee got hurting so bad that I went to bed really early, so like 7:20 or something. It was just time for me to check out. I took an oxycodone, and I got by with just 2 again. But all I can say is that first trip to the physical therapist is a bit of a challenge. Gave me a bunch of things to do, which I did this morning, and I've been really working at icing and elevating my knee. Seems like it's working. So, like I say, I'm out here in the garage. I got my dogs near me. Joline is working behind me. I really can't see anything. I got this out as kind of as a periscope, so I could look behind me and see if she was still there. And all I can say is, so far so good. I want this to be over, but you know what? It just takes time.